Hey folks, DJ at the Rabbit Squirrel Garage. Today I'm going to be installing these new tail lights. I've got one tail light that keeps a lot of moisture inside of it on the driver's side. So I figured, you know, while I'm at it, go ahead and put some new ones on. Instead of buying one, I'll get two. And I bought the kind of smoked out ones. And I do have the LED bulbs that I'm going to be putting in it. The cool thing about these is it already comes with new sockets also. So that way, you know, you don't have to use your old one and maybe the rubber's deteriorated and that's why it was leaking. So it comes with all new sockets for all three lights and should be a nice, quick, easy install. So let's go out and let's go out there and get it going. So here's what my current tail lights look like. This is the one that's got a lot of moisture buildup in it. I don't know if you can see it there. But yeah, and it's also blown out my reverse light on this side. So I'm just gonna replace, I was gonna just replace this one, but I thought while I was at it, I went ahead and smoked out my third brake light. So I figured, why not go ahead and smoke these out too? I just think it'll look a little nicer and, you know, kind of reduce the amount of chrome all over this thing. I don't mind chrome, but too much is too much. And in my opinion, that rear end just has too much chrome on it. So it'll look nice, I think, with some smoked out lenses. Install's pretty quick and easy. You just got two 8mm bolts right here that hold the light in. So we're just gonna pull those off. And then it should just pop right out. Right? Have a look back to this. Yeah, it should just pop right out. It's not going to be, it doesn't want to come easily. And again, the new one comes with sockets. So you see how this one's a little bit burnt. That's okay, because we don't need them anyway. But we're just going to pull all the lights out real quick. Then we're going to actually take the plug off. I don't know how that one comes out. Mine appear to be pretty old, so they're a little cracking a little bit. Just be easy with them when you take them off. Then pull it out. There it is. That quick and easy. Now with the new ones, again, I got new bulbs, so let me grab those. Yeah, see, new rubber seals, everything. So, put that in. Put this back on. There we go. All right. And it's just as simple as putting them all back in. Make sure all your pins are lined up. I didn't have the front pin lined up properly. There we go. Now we're good. Then we can put our bolts back in. there we go. That's quick and easy. You know, all of a 5-minute job. And let's have a look at it here. Yeah, you can see how it kind of blackens out quite a bit more. I mean, you still see a little bit of chrome, but you know, that's just the light reflecting on it. It still looks a lot better to me, I believe, than the old white one. So yeah, that's how quick and easy it is. So all right, I will catch you all in the next video. If you could, go ahead and hit that like button. So go ahead and share the video if you know somebody who might like these tail lights. And if you aren't yet, please subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next one.